Hello, everybody. Hi there. My name is Chelsey. I am a Children's Services Assistant with Clearview Library District. Welcome back to another edition of our Family Cooking Challenge. It is January. Happy January. Happy New Year. I hope that you guys had a wonderful holiday season. And we are here to participate in Family Cooking Challenge pudding pies. So this month we are going to, as a family, get into the kitchen, get in together, and cook some really yummy pudding pies. So inside of your kit that hopefully you have already picked up, if you haven't, you totally have time. Your submissions aren't due until 2 weeks from now. So today is the 8th, and that will be the 22nd, okay? So you have 2 weeks to get these in, but inside your kit, you're going to find a pudding mix and some little graham cracker crust pie crusts, and there's 6 of them in there, so hopefully you have enough. But the challenge is to add something cool, something new, something different, something fun, but still edible. Take a picture of your creation, send me a little description, send me the email, we'll get all of your submissions in, and then we will pick a winner. The winner from last month got some awesome cooking stuff for the kitchen, a recipe book, and a wooden spoon, and a cutting board, and stuff like that. So we are just giving away some fun stuff to keep you guys cooking together in the kitchen. So if you have any questions, please feel free to email me, but go ahead and snap a picture of your creations and send it to me with a little description of what you added, how you guys did, how you're liking the program, things like that, and we will pick a winner. All right, so get to cooking those pudding pies, and we look forward to seeing your creations. Thanks so much, guys. Have a good day.